Hello. Today I'm going to talk to you about the invention of the airplane or airplane. For centuries, people dreamed of imitating the birds and flying through the sky. In the 1500s, Leonardo da Vinci even designed a few flying machines. On the top left here, you can see da Vinci's designs for a glider and a helicopter. But these were never built. The first successful flight was a hot air balloon. In 1782, in France, Joseph Montgolfier experimented with light wooden frame boxes covered with cloth that were heated over small fires. He saw how a flying hot air balloon was possible. In June 1783, he and his brother Jack gave their first public demonstration. The balloon flew 2 kilometers, about 2,000 meters high, and for 10 minutes. You can see a picture of the Montgolfier balloon here. However, balloon travel was slow. For fast flight, people needed heavier than air flying machines. For such machines, 3 things were needed. First, the machines needed wings designed to lift people up as they traveled fast through the air. A leading pioneer of gliders was the French-born American called Octave Chanute. You can see a picture of one of his gliders on the left here that could easily carry the weight of an adult. Second, these machines also needed to power themselves. In the 1800s, people had built steam-powered propeller planes that could fly short distances, but none that could lift a person off the ground. The invention of the car engine using gasoline in the 1800s made it possible for lighter engines for airplanes. Third, the pilots of these machines needed to be able to control the direction of the plane. Without control, they would crash easily. So this is where the Wright brothers were successful. As children, the Wright brothers, Orville, born in 1871, and Wilbur, born in 1867, and pictured on the left here, moved between Indiana and Ohio. You can see where these states are on the map in the middle here. They were interested in flight from a very young age. Their father had bought them a simple helicopter toy designed by the famous French engineer Alphonse Pénaud. When it broke, they built their own. So you can see a picture of the toy here. The Wright brothers' breakthrough came through observing how birds control their direction. The brothers realized that birds changed the shape of the wings to change direction. So this is how they could control the plane. They understood that if you bend the ends of the wings while flying, you can roll the plane left and right. On December 17th, 1903, in North Carolina, they flew a plane that they had built. The first flight was 37 meters in 12 seconds. You can see a photograph of that flight here. From here, aviation took off dramatically. The first commercial flight service began in Florida in 1914, as shown here. Aircraft were even used in World War I. The graph at the bottom right shows how much air travel has grown just since 1970. Now, it's normal for people to fly around the world, even just for holidays. Thank you very much for listening.